Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel English with Tej. Let's make learning English simple and fun together. So welcome back you guys. Let's have another video and with great information I'm here. So today I'm going to discuss how I improved my English and why it is important for you guys, because I am the person who come from Hindi medium. I learned English from scratch. I learned it from zero to fluent English. Okay, so how I did this and what motivated me, what inspired me to learn the English. Okay, the learning journey starts when I came to the Mumbai and I started looking for a job. So first I want to tell you a little bit about myself. I'm from Uttar Pradesh, from Pratapgarh. So I studied from primary school, a very remote village school. My all education, even I have done graduation in Bachelor of Arts, everything is done in Hindi medium from very basic school. Okay, when I came to the Mumbai, I started looking for a job. So wherever I was going, everyone was conducting interviews in English, and I was not able to at least answer them. I was not able to understand them. So I was feeling very embarrassed, upset. So what I did, I have gone around 10 to 15 places for interview. I was looking for a job in the offices, so I tried to giving interview in BPO call centers. So they were, even the job is going to happen most probably in Hindi, because mostly the customers are Hindi belt. Okay, maybe 90% most of the time the customers are from Hindi belt, and 10% there may be the customer who speaks English in India. So it happens if you're working in a domestic call center. So but the interview happens in English. Okay, the full English. So I was not able to understand what exactly they are asking. I was able to just understand few questions like what's your weakness, strength, and tell me about yourself, but I was not able to answer them confidently. Okay, and it made me very upset, and I was very hopeless. I thought, oh my god, what blunder I have done. What if I have studied from English medium college? But you all guys know, like it is our everyone's problem. Whoever born in 90s, we had not sufficient money, okay, to go to the English medium schools. Neither it was available so frequently like today it is available. Okay, and most of us 90s kids who come from poor family or lower middle class family, all have been studied from the nearby primary school, and we all have faced this problem. So I'm here to help you guys with my story. I'm telling you so that you can inspire. If I can learn English, if I can become fluent, then why you can't? I will help you. This is my promise. So what you have to do, this just share, like, subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon so that you do not miss a lesson. Let me tell you what happened after that. After giving 10 to 15 interviews, I was hopeless, got tired, and I wanted to go back to the village, or I could go for the job like where I can work in any mall, or where I can work any big shops where I have to work physically, so kind of a labor job. But I don't wanted to do that, because I have done graduation and I have some aspirations. I had came in Mumbai with some aspiration. I cannot let it be die my ambition, my aspiration, my hope. Okay, so I took 3 months time, and I went one of the English teacher, and I told him my problem. So there were some other students who were learning exactly the same. So she taught me, she was Christian, and she taught me basic English, like basic grammars, present tense, is, am, are, and active, passive, direct, indirect, a basic grammar. Okay, and she was also helping us how I can improve my English, how I can speak basic English. So I started memorizing the English sentences like, hi, how are you doing? I'm good. Okay, what have you been doing, or where are you going? What are you eating? In which class do you study? And I memorized the most questions, mostly frequent question asked in BPO call center, like tell me about yourself, what's your weakness, and what's your strength, and why do you want to work. Okay, so question something like that. I memorized around 10 to 15 questions, so it was enough for me because I was fresher. I was not experienced whether they are going to ask me deeply about the call center and so I was the fresher and I was applying for the domestic call center. So I was, after learning basic English and I memorized 10 to 15 questions from the internet, I was able to crack interview. I gave around 3-4 interview and I got selected one of the company in the Washi in Mumbai. Whoever would be living, he must be knowing Washi. So I worked there 8 months, and what I did, I joined the company. There were colleagues who were from Mumbai, who were from English medium students, so their English was better than me. I started interacting with them in English. I told him, bro, I'm from village and I come from India. My English is very pathetic. Okay, so please help me. Those guys were so nice. I really appreciate them. So they never felt me that I don't know English. They never make a mock of me. Okay, it was great help from them. I started talking with them. So what I was doing actually, whatever sentences I have to say, I was trying to write in Hindi. Then I was translating through the Google Translate. The Chat GPT was not available that time, so I was using Google Translate. And next time when I have to say those things, then I used to say in English. So like this, I improved day by day. I was making effort, so I was able to speak basic English. I was able to interact. And what about my jobs? So whatever, the job is mostly based on the script. So if you're working in a particular domain, so customer is going to ask you, or you are going to talk with in certain domain. So there are just maybe 10 to 15 questions may the customer ask you, or you may ask from the customer. So I have memorized all those questions and answers, so I was not having much problem. I solved that issue. But what was happening when I was going to talk on any particular topic, or apart from the job, any random topic like my daily communication, or I'm going to the hotel, going to the market, I'm going to the hospital, or if I'm talking about my personal life with somebody, so it was very difficult for me to communicate with the people. I was not able to express myself properly. So this was the still problem happening. So I worked 8 months, then I went to my village for 3 months and returned to the Mumbai, and again I started searching for the job. So because in domestic there are less salary, so I was looking for a big salary. So I wanted to work in an international BPO. So again I went for interview in international BPO. They all, mostly 5 to 6 places I gave interview. They all told me that you have an MTI problem, means mother tongue influence. I got to know that day what is a mother tongue influence. Then let me tell you, whoever doesn't know what is MTI. Okay, so English is a different language. My mother tongue is a Hindi. There are 44 sound in English, and there are around 36 sounds in Hindi. So there are maximum sounds are quite similar in Hindi and in English, but they are different. Okay, the person who is a beginner is not able to differentiate the sound between the Hindi sound and English sound. If you're using the Hindi sound while speaking the English, then that is known as a MTI. So I started to differentiate the English and Hindi sound. So somehow I cracked the job, one of the MNC's company. Since the first day I became the part of the company, I have been working on my MTI. I have been working to improve my communication, and I'm happy now. No one says that I have MTI, and I'm able to fluently talk with US customer over the call, because when you talk with somebody over the call, it's very difficult to understand each other, because you're talking over 5,000 kilometer away. The person is 5,000 kilometer away. So you have to be very fluent, very clear. Okay, and then the other person can understand, because they don't have habit to listen Indian accent. That's the reason. Okay, they have to be very clear. So this is how I improved my English. Thank you very much guys for watching my video. I really appreciate you guys are still watching till here. Please like, share if you haven't done, and bye bye. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you very much.